How to fix Geeni camera not connected to Wi-Fi. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Geeni camera not connecting to your Wi-Fi. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to ensure that you have the updated version of Geeni app on your device. So for that, you'll have to just open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Alright, so after you open the store, in the search field you'll have to type for Geeni. Alright, so after you find the application from there, you'll be able to see if any updates are available for this app. So from here, you can update the latest version of Geeni app on your device. So if you are still facing this problem from here, you'll have to just back from here and you have to just open the settings. Okay, so from the settings, tap on general. Now from here, tap on iPhone storage. Okay, so from the iPhone storage section, you'll have to scroll down and find the application Geeni. So after you find the application Geeni, you'll have to just tap on that app. Okay, so from the section, you'll have to just tap on the option upload app. Alright, tap on upload app. Okay, so from here, you'll have to just again tap on the option reinstall app, and after you reinstall the app on your device, you'll be able to fix that Geeni camera not connecting to your Wi-Fi. So from here, you'll have to just open that Geeni application with your logged in account, and from there you might be solving that problem. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.